Hello, my dear students. Welcome to this channel. And in this video, you will learn one English grammar trick that you didn't know before. Okay, so let's start. Okay, now tell me what is the correct sentence. Okay, or B, let's take another example. The cat jumped over the low wall. The cat jumped over the low walls. Now, what do you think? We should use the second sentence, right? No. When we are talking about something that is singular, we use the singular verb write the correct sentences. Or B, your answer should be either or B, write it down in the comments section below. Let's start. And here in this sentence, although we are talking about multiple walls, but when we use it with the article the, it becomes singular. The train arrived at the stations. I hope you liked this video and you learned something new. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Love you all. Bye-bye. Or B. The cow jumped over the ditch. The cow jumped over the ditches. Or B. The bird flew above the clouds. The bird flew above the cloud. Or B. The tree fell down during the storm. The tree fell down during the storms. Or B. The fish swam in the pond. The fish swam in the ponds. Or B. The boy played with the ball. The boy played with the balls. Or B. Do you understand? So the correct sentence is the cat jumped over the low wall. And if you are talking about something that is singular, you have to use the singular verb. Second thing you learned is that when you are using the article, then you have to check if the noun that comes after the is singular or plural. If it's plural, you can remove the and add an S to the verb. If it's singular, you cannot add an S to the verb. Always remember this rule. The cat jumped over the high fence, or the cat jumped over the high fences. Now, what do you think? Which one is correct? Or B? Of course, the second sentence. Now here, both things are plural, so we use the plural verb. Now the next question is, how do you know that bush is singular or bush is plural? Let's take the first example. The cat jumped over the high fence. If I remove the article from here, can I say fence or fences? Now, what do you think? Can I say fence or fences? Yes, of course you can say fences. You can say the cat jumped over the high fences. That's absolutely correct because now it's plural. There is more than one fence. But when we use the article with bush or wall or fence, it becomes singular. So when we use the article, we have to check what comes after the. Is it singular or is it plural? And then use the correct verb accordingly. The dog ran behind the bush. The dog ran behind the bushes. Now, which one is correct? A or B? Of course, the first sentence, because here bush is not plural. It's just bush, so we use the singular verb. Why? Because when we talk about something that is plural, like these cats, these fences, these trees, we use the plural verb. So these fences is the correct answer. But wait, there is a little bit more to this rule, so let's understand. Now let's try to understand with one more example. Now if we change the sentence, let's make it plural. The dogs ran behind the bushes. Okay, now I will give you some exercises and you have to write the correct sentences. The mall was crowded with shoppers. The mall was crowded with shopper. Or B, the train arrived at the station. Now, what did you learn in this video? First of all, if you are talking about something that is plural, you have to use the plural verb. So that's it for today's video.